Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the little bell, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, what are we going to talk about today? Well, if you're new, you know that I start all my videos by saying, have you lost weight before? Have you regained it back? Do you try over and over again and feel like you're just a failure and you have a slow metabolism? If any of those things sound familiar, well, you're in the right place because that's my story. So, what are we going to do about this? Yesterday I posted a video and it was about who to listen to. And I just heard the most amazing video this morning. So I'm coming on to tell you all to go over and listen to Debbie Does Keto, because she had an excellent thing for those of us who have been doing keto for a while. We consider ourselves fat adapted. We get the first 40, 50 pounds off and we're really happy about that. And we're just going along. And then the closer we get to our goals, we notice a slowdown and all of a sudden we're not doing the happy dance anymore on that scale. I've never really gotten that worried over the scale because it's been an up and down situation for me ever since the day I started keto. I'd lose 5, go up 1, lose 4, go up 1. You know, it's been a yo-yo, but it always kept inching downward and I was just so happy, and pretty soon I caught on to that. But now as we're getting closer to our goals, it's coming off a little slower. Please excuse the dog slurping water noise in the background. Happens every time I do a video. Anyway, speaking of water, one thing I wanted to throw out there, especially for newbies, and just as a reminder to those of us who have been on this for quite a while and think we have our ducks all in a row, regarding water, the more you drink, the more you're going to pee, and the more you do that, electrolytes are going to go out with it. So please remember, even though we're past keto flu stage, to be restoring your trace minerals and electrolytes as you go along. So anyway, back to Debbie Does Keto. I love it. Her title of her video was Live something, I'm probably not going to get this right, but it was Live Well, Live Long, Drop Dead, or something like that. And I thought, wow, that's quite a name. And you have to read the comments too, because there's another comment on there that is really, this is a fun video. This is an informative video for those of you who have been on keto a long time. So my video today is about sending you over to Debbie, because I couldn't possibly say all that she said as good as she said it. And we're close to the same age. I think she's younger than me. She looks younger than me. But we're close. And us older gals, we're, toughing it out and doing it for our health as well as our glamour. And don't think for a minute we don't enjoy looking better when we lose weight, because we're human and of course we do. We like that too. Although the saggy skin gets worrisome. But I have a word for you, autophagy. And that word is about how our dead cells get gobbled up by, I don't know, Debbie tells it better. Like I said, just go see Debbie. Okay, so anyway, like I said, if you're new to my channel, most of my videos have a real subject. This subject is go see Debbie's video today. It just deserves every bit of attention. It's excellent. And if you're new here, just please subscribe and keep calm and keto on. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. Bye now.